welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a rose in Infinite Craft. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So creating a rose in Infinite Craft is actually pretty easy. What you need to do is you just need to follow my lead. So first things first is we need to drag an earth into our canvas here. And from here, we also need to drop water on earth. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to combine this with wind, and it should convert it to dandelion. Now in this case, you need to open up an earth here and get another earth and combine it, and you'll get mountain. Now in this case, what you need to do is you just need to convert dandelion and the option for earth here. So let's just choose dandelion and earth, and you should get flower. Now for flower, what you need to do is you just need to convert this into mountain, and you should now get a rose, which is actually pretty easy. And in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.